Children, welcome to all. Here, once again, your English teacher with English General Grammar. Today, we shall learn about the articles and their uses. Let us begin with basic, which you people already know, just we are going to remind it. So, welcome. Yes, look at the next slide. Children, all of you know that every language has its own structure, rule and style. Like that, English subject has also its own style and structure. This language has 26 letters to which we call alphabets. They are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are called as capital letters or first letters. Similarly, there is a small letter group is also, which is also called as a second letter. Okay. As we are looking at the basic, in those 26 alphabets, there are two groups, namely consonants and vowels. So before going to start to know about the articles, we should know what are consonants and vowels. Okay. What are consonants? Consonants are closed sounds, means they need the company of vowels to form word. For example, to write K, we will write A along with the K. Similarly, K plus I is equal to K. K plus U is equal to Q. K plus E is equal to K, etc. Likewise, in our mother tongue, Kannada. So here we are going to tell something about Kannada language. ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಗುಂಪುಗಳಿವೆ. ಅವು ವ್ಯಂಜನಗಳು ಹಾಗೂ ಸ್ವರಗಳು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಂಜನಗಳು ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಸ್ವರಗಳು ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ವ್ಯಂಜನಗಳನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸ್ವರಗಳ ಒಂದು ಕೂಡಿಕೆ ಬೇಕು. ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ಬಳ್ಳಿಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಗುಣಿತಾಕ್ಷರಗಳು ಅಂತ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗಾಗಿ ಕ ಇದೊಂದು ವ್ಯಂಜನ ಅಥವಾ ಚ ಇದೊಂದು ವ್ಯಂಜನ. ಈ ಕ ಮತ್ತು ಚ ವ್ಯಂಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಅ ಅನ್ನ ಕೂಡಿಸಿದಾಗ ಅದೇನಾಯಿತು? ಕ ಅಥವಾ ಚ. ಸರಿನಾ? Like my children, in English also there are consonants and vowels. It means that like in Kannada, what the thing will happen, same thing will happen in English. To write ka, ma, la, we should write K-A, M-A-L-A. Okay, I hope you understood it. Next one. What are vowels? Vowels have open sounds, means they are independent. Whether vowels are independent, consonants are not independent because they need the group of vowels. Okay, let us know about word and sentence. What is a word? Word is a group of letters which will give correct meaning. One such a correct meaning it will give. For example, S-O-N-G, song. This is a group of letters which will give meaning. Now, look at the second example. N-G-O-S. This is also a group of letters. But is it giving any meaning? No. Children, in the both examples, in the first example, yes, the word is a group of letter and also the group is giving such a particular meaning. But look at the second example. Yes, of course, that is also a group of letters. But that group of letter is not giving any meaning. It means that that word is meaningless. So, what the outcome is? The outcome is word is a group of letters which will give correct meaning. It means that the word should not only a group of letter but it should give correct meaning. Now, what is a sentence? A sentence is group of words which will give meaning. For example, Mani is a good boy. In this example, there are 5 groups which are arranged correctly and they will give correct meaning. Now, let us look at second example. Good a money boy is. This is also a group of words, but is it giving correct meaning? No. So, to frame a sentence, not only a group of words is important, but also meaning is very important. It means that to frame any sentence, there is a need of group of words. Not only that, that group of word should give one such a meaning, correct meaning. Next. So whatever now we have discussed, that is the basic knowledge to go to next step. Here, first we should know about what are articles. So articles are those alphabets, group of alphabets which are used before the noun, name of the person, before the name of the place or a thing. Okay. Especially these articles are used before the nouns or things. Look at the slide where there is a definition for noun. What is noun? A noun is a name of a person, place or thing. For example, Ashok. This is name of a person. Hubli. This is name of a place. Apple. This is name of a thing. Now let us discuss about which are articles. Here, a, an, the. These are the articles. I repeat once again. A, to which we also called as a, and the. These are articles. Now let us discuss about kinds of articles. There are two kinds of articles, namely definite articles and indefinite articles. There are two kinds in articles, definite and indefinite articles. Let us know about what is definite article. Definite article refers to a particular person or thing. The. Here, the is referred as definite article. For example, the shop, the man, the cow. Look at the next. The above slide shows that in the group of shops or in group of men or group of cows, telling about a particular person, shop or cow. It means that there are many shops, but the thing is about a particular shop. There are many men, but the thing is about a particular man. Similarly, there is a group of cows and the thing is about a particular cow. Okay. Now, next one is, what are indefinite articles? The articles a or a and an do not refer definite or particular person or thing. For example, a horse, 1,000 or a cow. Children, see, foreigners will pronounce it as a horse, 1,000, a cow. And in our country, we will pronounce it as a horse, 1,000, a cow. Okay. In the above examples, there are many horses, many thousands, many cows, but not telling about any particular or definite horse or definite thousand or definite cow. Means any horse in the group, any thousand in those thousands, and any cow in the group of cows. Students, we already know about the articles. Let us try to understand how to use these articles. Look at the below examples. First example, call the girl. In this example, why the is used? Because the teacher is telling or asking about the definite or particular girl in the girls group or in the class. Second example, today we are visiting to the village. There are many villages, but they are visiting to the particular village. So, if we are speaking or telling about a definite one, a particular one, then only we should use the article the. Okay. Now, next example, I want a pen to write. In this example, there are many pens, but he or she wants any one pen means they do not want any particular or definite pen. So here this article is used as indefinite article. Next example, I am a girl. Next one, I am a teacher. In the above examples, girl and teacher, both words indicates group, means any girl, any teacher from the group. Next example, they want an umbrella. There are more than two, but they want only one umbrella. In that case, you can ask teacher, then we can write they want a umbrella or they want one umbrella, isn't it? See children, in English there are many words which will start from vowels. In the above example, umbrella word will also start with vowel. Now look at the next example. So here children, there are many words such like here I want to give you one or two examples more. For example, union and union. See, if the thing is, it means that we should take another one example. May you can understand it better. Apple. If there is only one apple, then we can say it as an apple. If there are many apples, then what will you say? You can't say an apple. Okay? Apples. If you want one among them, then you can ask like this: give me an apple. You should not tell here, give me one apple. If you are telling like this, your sentence will become wrong. And the listeners will come to know that what type your English knowledge is. So you should ask like this only: give me an apple. Okay, next example, they want an umbrellas. Is it correct? No, it is wrong. Now you will ask why this is wrong. Because what I said, if there is only one thing, if there is only one apple, or if you want only one apple, then only you can ask give me an apple. But here look at the example, they want an umbrellas. Umbrellas means it is a plural word. What is plural? In the plural there are things which are more than two or more than two. So here also umbrellas means they are two or more than two. So that's why we should not use here an umbrellas. If there is only one umbrella, or among the groups of umbrellas, if you want only one, then only you can ask give me an umbrella. As like we have discussed about give me an apple. So like that, in the group of umbrellas you can ask give me an umbrella. If you are instead of it, if you are telling give me an umbrellas, then your sentence will become wrong. Students, in the previous slide, the question will arise that why an umbrella is correct and why an umbrella is not correct. Children, very important thing which you keep in your mind is we can use an only at that time when we are talking or telling or asking about single thing, as we already discussed it. In the above example, an umbrella is only one. So we used here an. This is correct. But look at the second one. An umbrellas. Here umbrellas is a plural word in which two or more than two things are there. Of course, the word starts here with vowel, but it is plural word. So we should not write an before those words which are in plural form. May they will start from vowel. Look at the next example. I want to meet an Uma, or they are going to an Udupi. No doubt both words have vowel, but think is Uma a thing, or is Udupi a thing? No. Here maybe there are many Umas, but I want to meet a particular Uma whom I know. Look at the second example, Udupi. This is nothing but a name of a particular place. It means in both the examples, I am talking about that person and that place whom I know well. Next example, I want an ball, or she is singing an song. Above both sentences are wrong. Now you will ask why. Ball and song, both words are singular. Why they are wrong? In the previous slide, what we observed in the given examples, and ball and song. See here, in the above example, ball is also single and song is also single, means they are in the singular form. But both the words will start from B and S, which are consonants. What are consonants here? Consonants are having closed sounds. It means that they are dependent alphabets. So here we can write and to those words which will start from vowels only, not to those words which will start from consonant. Just in the above example we have observed ball, B is a consonant, song, S is also consonant. So if we are writing here and then our sentence will become wrong, or our frame of sentence will become wrong. Like this, children, articles will play very important role in English language. Only we should have to keep some rules and norms in our mind while writing and as well as in talking and using it. Till then, practice them and try to use them in the correct form and manner. So, with this, stay home, stay safe, wear masks, and very important, maintain social distance. Thank you.